Time to do a Coachmen Freedom Express 259 FKS. Before I get started, big shout out to the people at the Portland Expo Center. Thank you for letting me in 2 hours early so that way I could do some filming. Really appreciate it, folks. Now this floor plan is really cool. If you're a couple that wants to hit the road for like 4, 5, 6 weeks at a time, and you only have a half-ton truck and you want to stay under 32 feet in total length, this is your coach. Outside kitchen, Azdel fiberglass, but the floor plan, there's no such thing as a perfect floor plan, but if you're one that likes to cook and you want to take a lot of stuff, this kitchen is really awesome. Wide counter space. It's not about the length, it's about the width, right? And then you got plenty of plugs and outlets for all your needs and plenty of storage space, and we'll get around to it, but there's also a huge pantry, one-piece sink. You just can't go wrong. Now, the only thing wrong with trailers in general is outside kitchens. The refrigerator only runs when you're plugged in, like a Walmart fridge, right? Now, the inside of this Freedom Express has a 6 cubic foot propane electric. They also have an option for an 8 cubic foot. Plenty of storage under the dinette, theater seating with recliners. And then we're going to come around, and here's where the pantry is. So smart. No waste of space at all. You can also turn it into a closet if you need to, if you don't need that much food storage. And then you got your fireplace, which also presents as an electric heater. Got a little bit of storage underneath for like your DVDs, Blu-rays, thing of that nature. And then I'm sitting down in a theater seat, and there's your TV. No need to turn your head. No need to cramp your neck. And the bathroom, it's a small trailer, guys, so there's only so much you can do with the bathroom. But you can still turn around. You don't feel like you're too claustrophobic when you're sitting on the toilet. Yeah, I know I say that too much, but and the shower, you still got the skylight, so if you're a little taller, you're not gonna feel like you're the turtle or a hermit, So it's again, a trailer that's under 32 feet in total length. There's only so much you can do with the bathroom, but good linen closet space. As we come out of the bathroom and go into the bedroom, this is a king size bed. Now, a lot of folks love having the king because it gives you more space. The only downside, and it is a downside to a king size bed, is you don't get the full, you lose a little bit of width for walk around space around the bed. But in this case, you can still walk around the bed. You get a nice big window in the back to give you fresh air. You got plenty of closet space for your clothing and a space for a TV, things of that nature. And then if you want to see another trailer similar to this in length, look in the top right hand corner of this video.